Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to fix a flat tire at home. I got screw. Last night I was driving and my tire get flat. You can see that screw. So I removed the screw already. So you can see hole over here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean the hole with a dye. So already I put it here. So I'm gonna get the sharp blade and cut the extra one. So I'm gonna use that blade. I don't have a bigger blade, so I'm gonna use this. I already fixed the tire, so I'm gonna check I have a right air in it. I'm gonna check I use soap and water on it. There's no leaking on it. So that means my tire is good to go. And it's easy to fix, it's not too hard. You can buy those kits from Walmart. You pull the whatever in a nail or anything, you clean with this. You clean the hole, then you put the flat tire flat kit over here and just push in. It's not too hard to do it. You can do it at home. So thank you for watching my video and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good one.